Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how you can easily turn on extended hours on Webull. So before you walk you down through the steps, make sure you turn on the notification button and subscribe to the channel because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the guide, so the first thing to do, which is the first step, is to open the Webull app, then tap the Webull logo at the bottom, then search and select the stock you want to trade. Then from there, on step 2, you have to tap trade to open order ticket, then tap buy or sell, then choose limit order, which is required for extended hours. Then on the step 3, you have to turn on the extended hours. So scroll down the order form, then find and toggle on the option include extended hours or EST hours. So depend on the option. So on the step 4, you have to confirm and submit your order. So to confirm that, you have to enter your price, the quantity and order details. Then after that, you have to submit the order and it will now execute during pre-market or after hours if your conditions are met. And on the step 5, you can view the extended hour on chart, which is very optional. So to get this, go to the stock chart, then tap the chart settings icon, then toggle on show extended hours to see price movement outside the regular trading hour. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.